what's good, everybody? Actually, it's not good, bro, because I accidentally bought this shoe 3 different times, bro. So I'm just waiting for like $600 of money to come back from this stupid shoe, bro. And I'll tell y'all why. Because at first let's get the shoe out of the box. Box actually decent. The box actually decent. I wasn't even expecting a different type of box. I got me real curious about the shoe, even though I know what it looks like, but I do want to see the quality though of it though, because I've been looking at them in the malls. Oh, it's actually pretty good. So if you're not familiar, these are the Olympic 6s, and then I'm gonna read off the sizing label, and then we're gonna get straight into it, and then I'm gonna tell you how I accidentally bought like $100 worth of these, which is like this. So this is the Air Jordan 6 Retro. This is a size 14, so I will be trying it on just so you guys can know how it runs and things like that. And we also have four requirements that we have to touch on for the unboxing. We gotta touch on the design / the colorway. So obviously what it looks like is this good mix of colors together. Then the execution. So these are gonna be Olympic 6s. So are they matching the Olympic theme? And then also, how was the release procedure? Because I tend to notice that the more annoying and all the hoops that I gotta jump through just for a shoe, is it worth it? And that really plays a factor into my interest on the shoe. Third, we have the quality. These shoes get expensive, bro. Economy, we broke right now. I ain't gonna lie. We don't got stimmies no more, and I gotta make sure my shoes, they are peak quality if I'm putting up $200. Then last but not least is comfort. I think comfort plays a big part in everybody's footwear these days, especially with all these other brands on the come up. But even like in Jordan, they have some comfortable pairs of shoes. And like I said, I love my Jordan 4s all the time, but bro, more than an hour, bro. So some gotta give, bro. I don't know if it's the unk in me that's worrying about it so much, but bro, that definitely plays a factor, bro. So without further ado, let's open it up. So we do have like kind of like specialist paper. Now, I don't really know exactly what this design is supposed to represent off it. It doesn't signify anything to me. It looks cool though. So I don't know if this is a pattern of the shoe or what, but maybe we'll see some more details in the shoe. Maybe it's just the silhouette or like the bottom of the 6s. I already see something I don't like, I'm not gonna lie. So there's nothing extra in there, so it doesn't look like they come with extra laces, but let's just start with it. What are these right here, bro? Why did they put these here? This doesn't make sense. This literally looks like an extra set of the laces going through the hole over here where it just doesn't belong, bro. I don't know if that's supposed to be Olympic themed. I don't know. I have a couple pair of 6s. I have never seen this before. I don't know what it is. If this got something to do with the Olympics, bro, it's not doing a good job because I don't know what it means, and I'm pretty sure the average Joe ain't gonna know what it means. But that's just offer up the first thing that I noticed. Honest reaction, I literally haven't, I just saw these from afar. So yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's go with the design and the colorway, bro. So obviously with the design, we have it with this white and then this dark navy blue with the red on the Jumpman, and it's alongside with the lace lock Jumpman on the back as well. And then we also have the red Jumpman with the icy bottom, which I do like a lot actually. I love the icy bottom. So nothing wrong. Hey, that quality, probably just from the box. Let me look on this one first. No, we good. Hey, I'm getting real strict with the quality, bro. These shoes, especially this shoe, man. Like I said, bro, I spent $600 when I was only supposed to pay for one. And the reason is because Finish Line, I bought them originally on Finish Line because none of my plugs came through. I asked them last minute, so that's kind of my fault. Finish Line, I had a size I needed a 14 specifically. I bought them, literally clicked on this picture, this shoe specifically, checked out and everything, and then when I saw my order confirmation, it made me buy the Oreo 6s, and I wasn't able to cancel enough for them to give me my money back, so I have to wait for them to come and then return them and then get my money back. So then I bought them on Nike because they were still available, and I was like, I'm not even gonna worry about Finish Line anymore because y'all just scammed me. So I bought them on sneakers, they were still available, paid another $216.50. And then my brother, who has a Nike account, so I get shoes like this that sit, I get them on discount. I think it's like the 30-40%. And so I had to send, I think he only had to pay $130 or $120, something like that. And then I sent him $150. So I basically paid like $600, and I have to wait on my money back for all of these. So it's, because now I'm gonna return the one that I bought on Nike because I got this one for a discount. So back to the colorway. little off topic, but back to the colorway. It's cool. I feel like it's a little too late for this. I feel like a lot of like OG or just like a lot of people who are more stuck on like older models. I won't even say older, but just like the less hype ones, but are still in the hood. Like, you know what I'm talking about. Like OGs, the hood dudes, da da da. Like they rocking with the 6s, they rocking with the 8s. They rocking with the low top 13. That's crazy. I ain't lying, but that's crazy. 10s sometimes, and then like 12s. So it's like those, right? In today's society, the 6 doesn't really get that much hype. I feel like it doesn't get that much credit. So my first Jordan that I really appreciated was the Carmine 6. So I have a low-key love for the 6s. Now, do these do enough for me to buy them? No. I didn't even rebuy the Carmine 6s. And that's like the shoe that started it all for me, honestly. So I just think it's all right, bro. It's not doing too much crazy. It gets the job done. It's just like any like Easter shoe or like holiday shoe. If it's done right, then I'll probably go ahead and just buy it just cause, right? And I feel like they did it. They did just that. Like, we put some USA colors on it. If you needed a USA themed shoe, this shoe gets the job done. But other than that, nothing crazy. So for design and colorway, I ain't gonna lie, this docks a lot of points, bro. But I'll say this docks a lot of points. I like how it doesn't do too much. I'll give them that. We're keeping it simple with the color blocking. I love the icy bottom and then the sole to obviously match. And then you even got the white on the back of the heels guard. So with all that being said, I'll give it like 5.5. Like I said, it doesn't really wow me. It doesn't, I would never be obliged to just want to purchase these. Even when I saw them, I just brushed over them and had to do a look back to say, oh wait, those are those. So yeah, now we're gonna go with execution. Now, I'm not gonna be biased and put my personal situation because that doesn't really have anything to do with them. It was more so finish line, just fix your website. But overall, it seemed like these were very, very, very accessible to get. Obviously, I just had a little bit more trouble getting them because I was getting a size 14, but literally any other size, you can go to your local mall right now. The sites weren't botted up, obviously, because nobody was really looking for these. So execution on release procedure wise, it was fine to me. And then procedure for like the Olympic theme, these alongside with the Kobe's, I feel like are the best themed Olympic shoes this year. I ain't gonna lie. I even bought the Asics, the Paris Olympics. I like those as a shoe, but Paris Olympic wise, I see nothing correlating with that. Even with the 4s, it's a decent shoe if you like gray. A lot of people were hyped for it before it actually came out, but that's just the hype beast in them. But it doesn't show anything relevant to the Olympics whatsoever. So theme wise, they do a good job. I would give these like 8.5. Nothing too wrong. Now I will say that the Kobe's did do it better though, so they can't be above these. So yeah, we're just gonna lower just a tad bit, but I like those. Next is the quality. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be a super GR, so you're gonna see a lot of imperfections throughout the shoe, and then you can just see some as I do a 360. You can see paint. I see right now paint stain on the icy bottom. Some of the stitching is off. There's a lot of glue stains. Both sides, my icy bottom is dirty. And even on this one as well, you could see some imperfections. And I'm pretty sure that I'll see just like this whole area right here. But I can only imagine what it is dispersed around other pairs as well. And I'll also look at, because I have 3 of them right now, so I'll also look and see about the quality on those. But I will say though, leather-wise, hey, this leather is crazy though. Crazy leather though. So that really balances it out. The only thing about this, bro, is just because it's a general release shoe, bro, you're gonna have to filter through pairs. But if you wear it really like 8 through 11, and really with these, bro, it really don't matter what size, bro. You can really just be like a Foot Locker, like, oh, I think I got another pair, I just want to swap it out. And more than times it's gonna be annoying to them, but they'll do it just so I can get the sale. But even like this right here, right there, so you really just kind of have to filter out through your pairs, and you can just go to your Foot Locker. But the quality on the leather is very phenomenal. You can see it from a mile away how good it looks. And then the last thing is just the comfort. We gotta see how comfortable it is. Honestly, I haven't wore a pair of 6s in so long. I have 2 pairs of the Travis 6s. I forgot how they feel, so this will be no bias to how I feel about Jordan 6s because I genuinely don't remember how they feel. So, and then I'll also tell you how they fit true to size. Now, I will say that these are a 14. Usually with my 6s, I stay true to my size. With my 13, even though there are some Jordans and all of my Yeezys where I have to, and like Kobe's, I have to go to a 14. So if they do run big, then I'll know that they're true to size, etc. So you guys will see me in the next POV. All right, so we got them up close and personal, and we're finna go try them on so I can tell y'all how they fit, how they look on feet. And overall, if it just changes my opinion, but also the quality and the comfort as well. So, oh man. And it's so hard to like, you guys are probably gonna look like the way that I'm gonna put these on. Like, they for sure run big. You can definitely go true to size for these. I can wear it. It's big on my foot, but it's not like big to where it's just extra space. They wouldn't be like hopping off my feet, but that's just how the factory lacing is with 6s, bro. They have your foot so secure. That's why I have to do my feet like this. I feel like taking them out the lace lock. And this is not the one I'm selling, by the way. This is the one I'm returning. They're probably gonna kill me. But they feel really good, honestly. So I don't think they would give me any, and I don't think I really ever had issues with my 6s. Now I probably will say that these feel a lot better, because I do know that when I've had my Carmines, bro, those were narrow. But since these are a bigger size for me, they actually feel very, very good. And then especially if I were to adjust the factory lacing so it's not super tight to where on my ankles, because you can see it's just like super tight on my ankles. But I guess for more comfort, if you just if the shoe is too narrow for you, I would just go up half a size. I don't think that would be an issue at all, because this is a full size, because with me, so 13 and a half for real. So yeah, I like these, bro. And like I said, bro, it's not a bad shoe, but it's not like, I need, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I wanted an Olympic shoe, if I wanted a USA colorway type shoe, if I wanted a navy blue shoe on some calm stuff, bro, I would not mind buying this shoe. Now, is it gonna be my first choice? Probably not. But if it was last minute, I'm going in the Foot Locker, and this is one of my options, this would probably be like a brainer in that sense. You know what I mean? So that's it for the Olympic 6s, man. They're okay, man. They're all right. So they're about like 5.5, 6 overall for me. Like I said, if you're interested in these, you can check them out. You can check them out with the style code. You can search up on your search engine, and literally you can find it. There's a lot of places that have them available for retail, so don't even try and be dumb if you pay resale for these. And that's about it, man. So let me know what y'all think on these, and then I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Who's your favorite Olympian right now? Mine's Sunny Lee, whatever her name is. Sunzi Lee. I shouldn't have said it like that. I don't know if she got gold. I think she got silver, but shout out to her. She's holding it down.